Rack here, and my good friend, Bob Bifford.
Hi, pal. You've made a good choice. You're about to play the greatest game in the world! Blood Bowl.
Welcome back to Two Fools Network and the Blood Bowl 2. I'm Dave.
I'm Charles.
And we have just found a lizard team with the Sons of Qo'noS. Unfortunately, we are, well, or fortunately, I don't know, we're the higher value team, so he gets inducement.
Inducements.
I gotta tell you honestly, after the last time we played at the Chaos team that we played at, and we got the ogre who threw the goblin.
No. We got the ogre who didn't throw the damn goblin.
Who kept rolling bonehead roll. I don't think I'm all that interested in getting an ogre or a troll. Now the troll's even worse than the ogre because he has a chance of not only being stupid,
He can eat
the goblin.
He can eat the goblin.
Though I do think that might be fun if we have the extra gold to spend just to make it happen.
It would be a neat t-shirt to have that says, I ate the goblin. But that would imply that you're the troll.
Or the porn star.
What?
I hate the goblin.
Welcome
Sounds
back.
like a porn star thing.
Welcome to Scoville Core.
Time to remember our politeness.
Lizardmen certainly excel in
Yeah, everybody going about Nuffle all they want.
Simply put, the skinks are made of foam rubber, and the Saurus have two left hands.
Okay, let's eat peanut butter and knuckle sandwiches.
Oh my. Okay, so we have an orc who is wounded probably. Or we only have 11 people and I'm just remembering. Either one of these things may be a truth. Suffice to say, we have to remember that we have limited movements as orcs. We have 6, 5s, and 4s. He's got 6, 6, and 8.
It should be a combination of Smash Mouth, move the ball.
Well, at the moment we're only 10. Oh, and remember our fun new skill, Camera 1. It don't work in kickoff, never mind.
So I'm not going to talk about it again.
Camera 2. Camera 1. Camera 2. Alright, I'm done. What a wonderful start. Okay, so now that happened because of 2 reasons. 1, I didn't want him to lose agility. 2, we can't stand. We don't really want to play the game missing an orc this early in the game.
Right.
Of course, that does mean the next one who dies or something like that will be over.
good old-fashioned fight.
Pick up the ball. Apparently it's more difficult than it seems.
Try to turn the crowd down a little bit.
Yeah. The crowd can get a little,
Ugly.
yeah.
Ball is secure. Can the other team steal it away?
Ah, at least they have teammates around. Ball. This is going to be decisive.
The attacker smells weakness. This could be fun, especially if a ball holder goes down.
It's early in the game before we roll.
Twinkles there.
Especially it being only turn one. What we will do, however, is drop back for a defense of some sort. Not that far. Watch what he does.
They're gathering around that lone player, like halflings round a sandwich. Come on, guys, together. One less than
Looking forward to the dice being friendly for me for one in this match. Not that they're not friendly in other matches.
That's quite a mismatch, Bob.
I know. That weedy fella's gonna get splatted. Oh, I'm excited, Jim.
Well, he doubled both down, but I have the block. And that KOs his big giant dinosaur out of there, so I guess the dice were nice to me on that round.
Rolling up into his head. For some
I guess you brought the game back into scale.
Oh. Snap!
That's next turn.
Can't maybe crush a
On
skink.
the ball carrier. Move quicker.
We can crush a skink. And he's KO. Wow. And now
Whoa.
the thrower has to get to it. But I don't think the thrower's going to get to it. So we're going to try something else. No time for no psychological romance. No romance. No romance quick. Now, come on, tell me, what's the word?
The word is word up. Everybody say.
Hey, look, he's at a dodge. Go ahead and follow
Good
me.
call. Intimidation is the key. It's one of my strengths that I can still play.
I don't want that. I don't want to have to go for it. Okay, so either way here we got to do a stupid block. Or try a dodge. With the Sons of Qo'noS. Stupid block. And it's worked out for us one way or another. Look, he wants to push, which doesn't hurt my feelings. Because it gets me closer to the scrum pile.
Let's do this.
Are you gonna use your reroll? You did. You crazy man.
hands in the changing rooms.
That was rather foolish. Getting in is easy. A 5 pickup is not. We want him to go sleepy time. We want our thrower to pick up the ball and hustle down the road.
If they were vulgar, the player could spit into the end zone.
We will cover. Or at least attempt to cage up a bit. None of these are good blocks, so we're going to just have to try. So that one was good enough. I didn't see that little guy standing there. We'll both go down.
What's happening? As
These
effective
guys
as ever.
KO'd off the field. Our guys just taking a stand.
Bugs bite.
Ah!
Really?
What about Klingon for siesta days?
I can find out.
No, I'm just kidding. That's funny. Be right back. Let me know if something stupid happens.
Okay. Okie dokie.
Wow. Man, turn 4, going straight for the foul, huh? And he actually used a dodge roll to do it. amazing. I mean, if he's gonna commit to that, why not just blitz through? Okay. Now, I had plans of just going ahead and scoring,
Yes, sir.
but with the desire to throw fouls on my orcs, I do believe we're gonna play a little smash, a little bash.
He was not playing honorably. He deserves it.
A little crash, maybe.
He's on him now, like a halfling on a hot dinner.
So, with that dice, with that set of dice, I do think I should be a little bit smarter about this.
Score.
No?
Or get on the line
Yep.
and then wait and.
This player likes to be well assisted.
KO dash.
One. I'm a bleed.
Those fists.
I'll be there.
We may see that player.
Exactly. That is this person's theme. It has been taken away from William, and it's been placed upon this person.
Both downs.
Going on in here. So let me shake my fucking ass up.
Oh my.
That is the line.
I believe you. It's just, oh my. Now, unless I'm horribly mistaken, he only has one more skink on the field. I believe he's all the way down. Yes. No, two. There were two.
Adversaries like that. I hope he knows what he's doing.
Looks like we're going to be playing some bash ball. Bash ball.
Smart for a minute.
If I'm to cut, you may be cold out.
Before the fall.
I made that one up. I hope he dies slow.
Oh, I didn't know where that was going. Oh, here comes another foul.
They made me. Bozos, you can use this strike.
I mean, there really was no advantage to that.
Very close. Like a tadpole.
I mean,
The skin
really
slips
no
between
advantage
the
to that.
It's like I said before. There are people. Okay, I do agree that throwing fouls and playing smash mouth ball is part of the game. But I believe that there is a larger amount of percentage of people, larger than you'd probably like to believe, that do that stuff for spite instead of it.
Well, I mean, I gotta admit, there's been times where I've been a poor sportsman because, you know, the guy just handed me my ass and everything I tried to do failed, and it got to the point where it was like, there's nothing left for me to do except throw a foul. So I did. Well, that one's injured. That's 2 points for our fella. Galron. You do got to give him credit for one thing. He hasn't quit.
This is true. But I wouldn't be surprised that if it didn't happen before the end of the 8th turn.
Okay, we will not be throwing any kind of a block there. Alright, so Charles,
Yes, sir.
how do you say him?
Sharkwall.
We are not going to throw him the ball because he's already level 2. We are going to try to throw it to Qo'noS so that he can get points. Oh, I messed up. If Half Martok in for the touchdown, so I just ran that. That's alright, Martok needed 3 points. 3 of his
Few of the
dinos are up.
players.
One of them is not the big guy. So he's got an injured skink and the big guy's laying down. See my setup the way it's set up. There he went. He withdrew.
Calls it. Give me a little credit. Come
Oh
on.
no, you called it. I just don't know what turn it was. But you could have been absolutely right.
Oh, I said before the end of the
Oh,
eighth.
before the 8th. So we got all his money.
All our money.
We got 2 MVPs.
Nice.
I-
Do we get a level upper?
I don't think anybody leveled up.
Well, that kind of sucks.
We will go back in here.
The blood wine flask, as it were.
Yeah, no level up. However, what we do now have,
Don't forget, Coach, you need to maintain
we
your
can
own
upgrade
stadium.
Stoker
So
Four.
I was gonna say we got a bunch of change.
Yes, we can.
We got a lot of gold pressed platinum to spread
We
around.
could buy our 3rd reroll. We could round out our team.
I like the idea of rounding out the team. What do you? I mean, you have the experience.
Well, I don't have the experience with orcs. Okay, so forget a goblin, they're cheap. And they're stunty and dodge.
Right.
So they are very agile, like the skinks are.
Right.
The difference is they do not have the movement. And their strength is crap.
Okay.
We're filled with blitzers, we can't buy anymore. And we're filled with black orcs, we can't buy anymore. We could buy a troll.
I don't want to troll.
But let's say, as long as we are not throwing orcs or goblins,
Right.
he has all the same problems that the big guy has. Like the ogres. The one thing he does have is regeneration.
Right.
So regeneration keeps him from...
I mean, all right.
I can't get it.
If you want, I mean, I'm not
There it
against. I'm not against it, but
He has limitations. If he's by himself, he has a 50% chance to just not do crap.
right, we have to have people next to him to get him.
Yep.
You know.
Someone's always got to babysit it.
And how much is a troll?
The Bank of
Troll is
Alpha.
1,100.
It said,
$110,000.
save a place for your money.
Okay.
That's because
Now,
they
we could
share
also
the
just get
gold
more
with
linemen.
gold
What?
medals.
What about?
We can get 2 linemen for the price of a troll.
I know.
Now,
What if we got a troll and a goblin?
we could do that. That would be 150,000. The thing is that the moment he eats the goblin,
Oh, God,
then the
that's-
goblin's worthless.
That's right.
If we get a troll, I'm not necessarily getting him to throw the goblin.
No, I understand.
I mean, that would be on the docket. We could do it. If we go the lineman route, and we have extra linemen, then we can start playing a lot more aggressive. We could start throwing fouls because if people get kicked off, we got more.
Why don't we buy a couple linemen then? We could get 3.
We could get 3. I think.
We get 2. When we get 2.
I think we'll get. If we're going to do this, I think we'll just get 1 right now.
Okay.
So why don't you go ahead and start searching for another Klingon noun so
Yes,
we can
sir.
name it? And while you're doing that, I'm going to go back to the staff, and for the price, I'm going to go ahead and get us a reroll, which saves us enough money to still get a lineman. The main thing we wanted to do is we had to spend some of the money because it was raising our team value, but not really giving us anything.
No, I understand wholly.
So we're gonna get it.
How's the missus, Bob?
I
Excellent.
think I like that face.
But that don't mean I misses her. She took everything.
I'm sorry.
Of course, including my family's sacred gut.
So, the downside to the lineman is he only has access to general skills, which is why Chadich leveled up, or Victor leveled up. I can't remember.
Shakwar. I think that's how it's.
And that's why he had block, is because he only has access to general. But we could use one of these guys to be our kicker soon. And if we find that we need extra strength, it's not like the troll's going anywhere. So, have you found a noun?
Not yet. I'm looking. Okay, let me see.
His name is Macro. Achoo! Excuse me.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Be patient. I'm having to look through. No, we don't want that one.
Did you know bathroom facilities have only been built in modern stadia since the last decade? Before that, the waste was, well, actually, no one knows where it went.
Alright, so what did you come up with?
B, L, J. Oh, M, E, Y.
Go ahead and pronounce that then.
I'm gonna say it's probably
Brujmi.
Brujmi.
And what does it mean?
Punishment.
Punishment. Well, that might be our most hopeful team member ever. And we will confirm our purchase, and there we go. Now, our statistics are 1, 1, and 1.
Alright.
Ah, the Guild of
We have
Bandits and
inflicted
Affiliated Trades.
I'm
4
a
casualties.
member, Jim.
Yes, I saw your
We
influence
have
after giving a
sustained
speech at
4
last year's GBAT
casualties.
Awards. The following riot was really quite
All right, then.
wonderful.
So for Dave and Charles, we wish you a very